Okay, we only have two more numbers to go. Yes. We've already done our zeros and ones, our twos, our tens, our fives, nines, 11s, sixes, fours, threes, sevens. And now we are working on our 8 times tables, memorizing those multiplication facts of the 8. Like always, go through the videos in the order that I am giving them to you, okay? Or I have them right here. Always do them in this order. If not, it's not going to make a lot of sense, especially when we get to that game at the end or the little ones with the playing cards, the deck of cards, okay? So on this, we only have to memorize 2, 8 times 8 and 8 times 12. We've already done 8 times 5 because that was 5 times 8. Commutative property, 5s, that's the clock, slide it over, 40 minutes. 8 times 9, that's commutative property, 9 times 8, 72, which is really important. Why? You have to watch the other videos, okay? 8 times 7, remember, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 7 is 56 because 5, 6, 7, 8. That was the thing that I didn't want to give away when I was doing the sevens. When we did 7 times 8, we were already doing 8 times 7. You just have to flip it over. 8 times 7, 7 times 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Yes, we're gonna have to grind this out again. That's what these last ones are. That's all it is, grinding them out. Remember, we're writing them 20 times. 20 times. And every time you write it, you're gonna say it so you can listen to yourself. You get it 3 times. 8 times 8 equals 64. 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 From here, write it down 20 times. Like always, you're not going to help yourself out one bit if you go 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, times, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 6 equals, 64, 64. You're not going to learn anything like that. You have to do it across, okay? Next one, 8 times 12 equals 96. 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 And you do this till you finish 20 times, writing it 20 times, okay? That's it. There's only 2 to memorize. Okay, now we get to our little game over here. Like always, say the correct answer before I say it. If you get the wrong answer, put it to the side. Later on, that card will come out again. If you say it correct, great. Now, at the end, when you finish, or when I finish, okay, you want to keep count of which ones you messed up on. If you only messed up on one of them one time, no problem. It was a hiccup. No worries. You know it. But if you messed up on it 2 or more times, forget it. You don't know it. Write it down 20 times. Okay? So, let's get started. Remember, say it, the answer before I say it. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 8, 64. Memorize it. Also, remember how I said 7 times 7? It's like 7 plus 7, 14, 49. 7 times 7, 49. For whatever reason, 8 times 8, 64. 8 plus 8, 16. 64, 16. I don't know. It just helps me. Okay? I think of 64, 16. Okay? Little weird thing, but oh well. Helps me. 8 times 6, 6 and 8 is 48. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 2, 16. 8 plus 8. 8 times 9, 72. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 6. 6 and 8 is 48. 8 times 8. 64. Sounds like 16. 8 times 9. 72. 8 times 11. 88. Double that. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 2. 16. 8 plus 8. 8 times 5. 40. The clock, slide it to the 8. 40 minutes. 8 times 5. 40. The clock, slide it to the 8. 40 minutes. 8 times 3. 24. 8 times 2. 16. 8 plus 8. 8 times 5. 40. Slide it over to the 8. 40 minutes. 8 times 1. 8. 1, it's the other number. 8 times 4. 32. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 11. 88. Double that. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 1. 8. 1, it's the other number. 8 times 6. 6 and 8 is 48. 8 times 5. 40. The clock, slide it over to 8. 40 minutes. 8 times 10. 80. 8 with the 0. 8 times 11. 88. Double that. 8 times 1. 8. 1, it's the other number. 8 times 9. 72. 8 times 8. 64. Sounds like 16. 8 times 10. 80. 8 with the 0. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 2. 16. 8 plus 8. 8 times 10. 80. 8 with a 0. 8 times 1. 8. 1, the other number. 8 times 10. 80. 8 with a 0. 8 times 8. 64. Sounds like 16. 8 times 6. 48. 6 and 8 is 48. 8 times 9. 72. 8 times 7. 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 7. 56. Why? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 7. 56. Why? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3. 24. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 3. 24. 8 times 12. 96. Memorize it. 8 times 11. 88. Double that. 8 times 7. 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3. 24. 8 times 7. 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, remember, this is why I keep telling you, you need to go back to those videos, because when we have 8 times 7, you hear me saying 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, sorry, messed up. So on this, 8 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? Remember, it's right there. I know it's 8 times 7, but commutative property, switch it. 7 times 8, 56. Why? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? From there, 8. Voila. Finished. Okay? So from here, look at everything we've already accomplished. On the 12s, you only have to memorize one of them, 12 times 12. All the other ones, you've already done it. Okay? So continue practicing, get better at it, and wish you all the best. Bye-bye.